vlog, we're making one single chicken nugget. Not two, not three, but one chicken nugget. Now you may be asking yourself, why only make one chicken nugget when you can make 2 chicken nuggets or a whole bag of chicken? Oh no.
Wait, this is a good one.
A whole bag of chicken nuggets.
This is a good one.
I gotta clean this up. Cringy old Fortnite dances. Anyways, we're making one chicken nugget today because I like chicken nuggets. And I relate to chicken nuggets to a certain degree. But if the chicken nugget has friends and little buddies, then I no longer relate to it. So we're making one chicken nugget, so it's just like me. See, the plate represents the big island of Hawaii because it's a big plate with a lonely chicken nugget on it.
Get it? 'Cause you're a lonely chicken nugget.
Yes, because I'm a lonely chicken nugget. When you're cooking chicken nuggets, you need to flip them so that they get tan on their backs and their bellies. Otherwise, that will look very strange. Oh, oh no! What happened? Did I burn it?
Oh wait, this one's even funnier.
I didn't think you could even burn a chicken nugget. Ow, that's hot. Now we need to do the chicken nuggets makeup. We're going to get a little bit of this. Oh yes, that is a good eyeball. Smile. Oh yeah. Got a droopy eyebrow going on there. It needs a body. Aww, it's me. Close up. It needs a nose. Ugh. Yeah, that's a good nose. Oh, I still relate. Can't forget to put away the makeup. Alrighty guys, so that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was most definitely not a vlog, but hopefully it wasn't a waste of time. Actually, it probably was. Also, you can tell it rained today because my hair is looking marvelous. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. So,